Hey everyone, stuck without a laptop? No worries, here are 5 beginner HTML and CSS projects you can build directly from your phone, great for learning, practicing, or creating awesome content. But before that, I will recommend some applications to run HTML and CSS on your smartphone. First, there is SPCK editor. Second, there is Replit. And third, there's a code. But if you don't want to download the application, you can search on Google HTML and CSS compiler. If everything is ready, let's start the video. First, we have a simple blog layout, perfect for writing practice posts or personal journals. Just basic HTML structure, some article tags, and clean typography. Super clean, and you can style it with a soft pastel palette for cozy vibes. Next is a recipe page. You can add a list of ingredients, steps, and even an image. It's a great way to practice semantic HTML and text styling. Bonus tip: use colors to make it more delicious looking. Third is a personal portfolio website. Show off your skills, list your projects, and include your contact email. I use gradients and cards to make it pop. This is a must-have for any beginner dev, especially if you're job hunting or freelancing. Then, we have a mini e-commerce page. It's not functional yet, but the layout gives you real-world practice. Product cards, prices, and maybe a buy button. You can expand it later with JavaScript or frameworks. Last, a simple to-do list. No JavaScript needed, just HTML checkboxes, list items, and maybe some cute icons. It's fun and totally doable in under 10 minutes. And that's it. 5 beginner projects you can build right from your phone. No excuses, no setup, just practice. Let me know in the comments which